Hey guys, have you ever seen an algorithm which is used in the third layer and you are like, what is this? Then you have landed on the right video. In this video, I'll tell you about these algorithms and teach you how to solve the yellow cross. And in the next video, I'll teach you how to solve the rest part of the third layer. So, let's begin. So if you have ever seen a third layer algorithm, you must have seen that there are letters written in it. So first I'll start by telling you about these letters and then I'll teach you how to solve the yellow cross. So the first and the main letter is R. In R, what you have to do is you have to move the right layer, this layer, clockwise. So this is R. And if you move it the other way around, like this, it becomes R prime. So this is R and this is R prime. Then we have L. L is opposite of R. In L, what you have to do is move this layer anti-clockwise. And if you move it clockwise like this, then it becomes L prime. So R and L are opposite. Then we have U. In U, what you have to do is you have to move the upper layer like this. And if you move it back, this becomes U prime. So this is U and this is U prime. Then we have B. So in B, what you have to do is move the back layer like this. And if you move it back, then this becomes B prime. It's very easy. Then we have F. F stands for the front layer. In this, what you have to do is move the front layer like this. The front layer which you are facing like this. Then if you move it back, this becomes F prime. These letters are very important to use an algorithm, and without an algorithm, you cannot solve the third layer. Then we have D. In D, what you have to do is you have to move the down layer like this. And if you move it back, it becomes D prime. Then we have M. M is very rare. It is used in very few algorithms. But still I'll tell you. In M you have to move the middle layer like this. This is M and this is M prime. Now I'll teach you how to solve the yellow cross. So there's an algorithm which is used to solve the yellow cross. I'll tell you that algorithm. So there are three situations. After solving the second layer, if there's only one dot, then you'll have to do that algorithm 3 times. If the yellow pieces are in one line like this, then you'll have to do that algorithm 2 times. And if you see that the yellow pieces, the edges have made an L, then you will just have to do the algorithm once. So the algorithm is F U R U prime R prime and F prime. As you can see, first there was a dot. Like I face the cube like this, but if there is a dot, you can face the cube like this, any way you want. Then if there's a line which is made, then you have to hold the cube either like this or like this. And you have to repeat that algorithm. F U R U prime R prime F prime. Now you can see that there's an L made. There's one more important thing. That thing is that you have to ignore the corners. There's no need of the corners while making the yellow cross. So even if they are like this, you can ignore them. You just have to focus on the edges. Now you can see that there's an L made. So you have to hold the cube like this. Not like this, like this. Just like this. No other side will work. You have to hold the cube just like this and repeat the algorithm. F U R U prime R prime F prime. That's it for today. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to solve the third layer. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.